1 Minute English. In this 1-minute lesson, we are going to have a look at the first conditional. The first conditional is used for a future situation that can be real or possible. For the condition, we use if plus the present simple, and for the result, we use will or won't plus the infinitive, like go, do, or work. The condition can go before or after the result. For example, if it rains tomorrow, Steve will watch TV at home. Steve won't go to the beach if it rains tomorrow. Instead of if, we can also use when, unless, as long as, or in case. For example, when Mike finishes work, he will call me. Unless it snows this winter, they won't be able to ski. As long as they work as a team, they will complete the project. In case it rains, I will take my umbrella. Give it a go. Try making a sentence and leave it in the comments below.